Today I want to demonstrate the WORKSHARP Precision Elite system. This is a great system for someone that's especially not used to sharpening knives and feels a little nervous about it. You set it up, it's really simple to set up. Put this here and if you're not sure what the blade angle is, you can always take a Sharpie and match it up. If you do know what the blade angle is, what I would recommend is getting this little angle finder, because the gauge is just a tad off. If you want precision, just get you one of these. But they're really simple to work. All you have to do is just get where you want. Come up through here like this. Adjust it wherever you want. And you can flip it over. It does have a little switch, but for me it's easier just to do it this way. You'll get a burr on one side. When you get that burr, you know it's time to go to the other side. I like to go even strokes, but on the first time, till you get your burr, you may have to take a few extras to get it to do that. I'm going to come back with this 1000 grit ceramic, and I'll just polish it up. This is magnetic. It's really great. Little clamps, got little rubber pieces in it, so it protects your knife. Everything's magnetic, puts together really well. Then I like to come back with a straw, make a few passes. This one's got the compound. This is one of the nice plus straps that I got, and this is one of the hooks, and it doesn't have anything on it. It's buffalo leather. I like to run these across it too. After that, I'll take a little piece of balsa wood and I'll just knock the little burr off that's left on it. And you can see, if my friend Ollie over here will move, you'll see how sharp it will. This was just a 400 grit stone right there. You can take it all the way down to 1000 grit if you want. I went from the 400 to polish up with 1000. You'd be very happy with one of these systems. They even come with a little strap with it, with the compound on it too. I just prefer to use the manual kind because I've been sharpening knives for about 45 years. But this is a great system. They did not send this to me. I bought this out of my own pocket. I've been very happy with it. I've used stones over the years. This is far more of the simplest way to go. And I've got another video in a few minutes. I'm going to show you of another one of our systems. If you've been used to sharpening with plain bent stones, it's a little step up above from that. But for somebody beginning out, this is great. Great people to deal with. They stand behind the products. I've had issues with them on one thing. I damaged one of these on my own, and they sent me a replacement. So you can't ask for any better service. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.